Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. So many of you have requested me to make a video on hoponopono for resolving some of your queries and doubts. Hoponopono is a Hawaiian word which means to correct, to make right. What is it that needs correction? It's memories sitting inside our subconscious mind which continue to drive our behavior. They affect everything we do. So today, if you're experiencing a problem in your life, this problem is actually a memory sitting right now on the screen of your subconscious mind. So today the experiences are coming from whatever is running inside at this moment in our subconscious mind. How long will we just be a witness to these painful memories? How long will we be watching a movie and feeling helpless about it? It's time to take action. So hoponopono is a wonderful ancient practice that encourages us to go within, to start connecting with ourselves, to start taking responsibility for our own energy and taking responsibility to free your subconscious mind, also known as your inner child. Because if the inner child gets free, it begins to join you and become your partner in success. The reason why today we experience problems is because the subconscious mind is replaying memories of the past. So this whole process is about getting freedom, complete freedom from the past to experience your own true divine nature. You see, how will we experience our own power if there is something that is covering this power? So these memories that are going on inside us are not allowing us to identify our true selves, to connect with our real divine selves. So the focus, my dear friends, as you're cleaning only has to be to free your child so that together you can experience complete freedom from the past. Together you can experience peace, peace of divine, peace of God, because peace itself can bring right, perfect solutions for you. Question which is commonly asked is, how do you actually feel when you are cleaning right? There is only one short answer to this. It is peace. If you are really cleaning, then in that moment you will start experiencing a sense of peace and equanimity, and that is really the only way to know whether it's working. We are not saying that the result must come for hoponopono to be working. No, as long as you're feeling peaceful, you're feeling better, hoponopono is certainly working, because you're only going to feel better if the inner child has begun to join you in this present moment, experiencing the moment for what it truly is. This is what we call as being in zero, which is a state where there are no limits attached to the past. Absolutely no assumption. There is no judgment of how things should be. It's only a sense of inner peace, a point of being in the moment. That does not mean that when you clean, you forget about your problems. We don't want to forget about our problems. We want to clean on our problems. So as you do hoponopono, you begin to feel more in control of your emotions. And as your emotions begin to come under control, the situation begins to get resolved. Another question which so many of you have sent me is, how long do we have to clean? Because of the memories that we have accumulated from the beginning of creation to the present moment, there is so much we need to clean on. Either it's something about ourselves, it's about our loved ones, it's about something that is happening around you. If it triggers you, it's come up for you to clean on it. And so we will continue to clean all our lives. This is what we know for sure, that we have all come here to clean. We have all come here to realize who we really are. So we will keep the cleaning going until we feel that the negative emotion within us has settled. So if you're cleaning on a specific issue, if the feeling that this issue is bringing up is now resolved, then you can stop cleaning on that particular issue. But chances are that there'll always be something else for you to clean on. So whether we are experiencing a problem or not, we got to keep the cleaning going, because we need to give as much as love as we can to our inner child. We need to continue to remind ourselves that the solution at all times lies within. And when something doesn't feel good, it's your inner child who's needing your attention. Not feeling good is your inner child telling you, I need you. So you need to give your time, your attention, your energy, your affection, your appreciation to your inner child, because that is how it is going to start joining you to release the past, to let go of the past, and to let in what is right for you at this moment in your life. Do not get confused with the Hoponopono tools. Yes, there are many cleaning tools. Use whatever tool you most connect with. It could be, I love you. Keep saying I love you to your inner child, and your inner child will slowly start to respond to your effort, to your attention, and even to your appreciation of it. The key really to Hoponopono cleaning is your consistency, your patience, and your willingness to take responsibility instead of blaming something or someone on the outside. That's it for now. With more on Hoponopono in the coming videos. Namaste.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.